Hello students, welcome to video teaching. It's biology for class 9. In biology we are reading about vascular connective tissue. There are two types of vascular connective tissue, blood and lymph. These are liquid connective tissue. These tissue have fluidy fiber-free matrix. Blood circulates throughout our body and carries essential substances and also best products from one part of body to another. Okay. In last video I discussed the composition of blood in short, in brief. Okay. Today we will discuss in detail the composition of blood. Blood consists of two main parts. The liquid part called blood plasma. Plasma makes about 45% of the blood, and the solid part, which is also called formed elements, are blood capsules. There are three types of blood capsules: RBCs, WBCs and blood platelets. RBC is also called erythrocytes, WBCs are called leukocytes, and platelets also called thrombocytes. Well, blood capsules constitute about 55% of the total volume of blood. Okay, plasma has 90%, about 90 to 90% water, and the remaining 8 to 10% organic and inorganic substances. It contains some important proteins as fibrinogen and prothrombin, which are essential for blood coagulation. Plasma also contains antibodies which fight against foreign antigen. About plasma also I discussed in last video. Today I will explain RBCs. RBCs or erythrocytes, red blood capsules or erythrocytes. Okay. RBCs are biconcave disc-like blood capsules. Biconcave disc-like, right? Disc-like structure and depressed in middle from both the sides. Biconcave disc-like shape erythrocytes have. These are found in red bone marrow, right? Site of formation is red bone marrow. Well, these don't have nucleus and cytoplasm, right? RBCs contains a fluid filled inside, right? The fluid is a conjugated protein, hemoglobin. So it lacks cytoplasm and nucleus and has hemoglobin filled inside. Okay? Hemoglobin is a conjugated protein. Hemoglobin made by heme. Heme means iron. And simple protein globin. Okay? RBCs contain red colored pigment, hemoglobin. This pigment makes our blood red. Okay? It consists of iron, ferrous iron bipositive iron, and simple protein globin. The simple protein globin combined with a metal ion, right? Such a protein called conjugated protein. So it's a conjugated protein. Well, made by ferrous iron and simple protein globin. Okay, it acts as respiratory pigment. Okay, in most vertebrates and involving transport of respiratory gases, say oxygen and carbon dioxide. Well, so RBCs don't have nucleus, right? A conjugated protein hemoglobin, right, which is red in color, remains filled in it. Next, RBC lifespan. RBCs survive for about 120 days, and these die in a spleen. Lifespan about 120 days, and site of death is a spleen. Okay, normal count of erythrocytes. About 1 ml of blood contains 4.5 to 5 billions of RBC. Now role, function. RBCs contain hemoglobin, red pigment hemoglobin. That makes our blood red. Second important function is hemoglobin takes part in transport of respiratory gases, say O2 and CO2. About 80% transport of respiratory gases accompanied with the help of hemoglobin present in erythrocytes. 20% of respiratory gases are carried with the help of blood plasma. Okay, I hope you all got sufficient information regarding composition of blood and RBCs as per your level, as per class 9. I hope you all have got my points. That's all. More I will discuss in next class. Thank you.